It's shopping day today and we are heading to Lidl's. Is it really cheap? I guess we're about to find out. This is for my weekly shopping. Let's go. I've been on the carnivore diet for over 6 months now, and we are heading straight to the meats, chicken, fish section, as well as eggs. Lidl's is one of the budget friendly stores in the UK, especially if you need to buy food. And I think Audi follows Lidl's. Then we have Asda, and then we have Tesco's and maybe Sainsbury. But don't quote me on this, but this is my experience. Some people would never go to Lidl's. I was one of those. But now they have grass fed meat. And because I'm on a carnivore diet, I would like to try their grass fed meat. And this is us here. And here we are. They've got ribeyes, grass fed. Whoa. But hey, it's not 100% grass fed. They claim it's 70% grass fed. I believe it's finished with grain, so it's grain finished. But this is good enough for me, so I'm going to get some. They also have minced beef, which is great because it's affordable and it's also grass fed. I believe grain finished too because it's not 100%. They have it in different ratios as I can see 5, 10, and hopefully 20, which is what I would be taking. Um, Lidl's can be a bit scattered, I mean, in terms of organization. So you literally have to look through everything. So let's look for the 20/80 ratio one. And here is our 20/80 ratio. I think I'm just going to take two, being that I'm not really a fan of minced beef, but I have to be creative. I would add some spices to this, spice it up, and hopefully I would like it. It's quite budget friendly. I think it's about £2.86. I'm not sure about the exact price, but this is quite good. Some people on the carnival diet just have minced beef for the whole week. Cottage cheese is one of the items I would buy. I don't actually need one now, but to buy one, I would go for the full fat one, which has 4.5 grams of fat, instead of the low fat one, which has 0.8 grams of fat. And the prices is quite good. I'll put it on the screen now. Let's get some eggs now. The only problem here is you're only allowed 3 per customer, which means I will have to come back for some more. So is Lidl's really cheap? I think it is affordable. I mean, I've spent £51 and I could cut that down to £20 or £30 if I had opted for minced beef, which is £2.69 for a pack and it's grass fed. I'm just not a fan of minced beef. But I know that option is there for days where I don't have maybe £51 to spend for the week. So I'll go now and get some bacon. Thank you for watching. Do have a lovely day and please subscribe, like, comment on my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.